Very good morning to all of you. This is the fourth part of the chapter Role of the Parliament. As we have discussed about the democracy and the types of democracy, and we all know that India follows the parliamentary system of democratic government. In this video, we are going to see that how the government of India is accountable to the citizen of its own country. What makes it more answerable and transparent towards its own citizens? A democratic government is chosen by the people from amongst themselves, controlled by the people and removed by the people. Here, public opinion plays an important role. And how this public opinion has been created? It has been created through media. How? Because media acts as a check on the functioning of the government. The opposition role also plays a vital role in this. Several methods are adopted to control the government within the legislature. So we have certain important terms which should be understood clearly, like question hour, calling attention motion, adjournment motion, no confidence motion. So let's start from the question hour. The parliament, while in session, begins with a question hour. The question hour is an important mechanism through which the member of parliament, that is PM, can seek information about the working of the government. By asking questions, the government is alert about its shortcomings and also comes to know the opinion of people through their representatives in the parliament. This is how the parliament controls the executive. Understood? Moving towards the calling attention motion. The calling attention motion is another method to elicit clarification from a minister on a matter of grave national concern. अगर कोई भी इम्पॉर्टेंट इशू है या सिचुएशन हुई है रिसेंटली, दैट कैन बी टेकन अंडर द कॉलिंग अटेंशन मोशन in front of the ministers. And now moving towards the third, adjournment motion is also used as a tool to keep the government accountable. It takes place when a proposal by a member of a house is accepted to discuss some urgent matter of public importance. So again, it is the quite similar to that of the calling attention motion, where the urgent issues is being discussed in the parliament. Coming to the no confidence motion. A no confidence motion passed by a parliament against the government can cause its fall if it loses confidence on the floor of the House. Thus, the PMs, as representatives of the people, have a central role in controlling, guiding, and informing the Parliament. I hope all these points are clear. Now let's see that how law making in India works. The basic idea, the basic concept which our leaders were taking was based on the ideas of equality and justice for its entire people. After independence, the members of the Constituent Assembly included several provisions in the Constitution that establishes the rule of law. So, after independence, जब हमने बहुत सारी कंट्रीज़ के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस और पार्लियामेंट्स की वर्किंग को नोटिस किया, सो वी हैव डिसाइडेड ऑल्सो टू हैव द रूल ऑफ लॉज, जो इम्प्लाई करती थी दैट ऑल लॉज अप्लाइज इक्वली एंड टू ऑल ऑफ इट्स सिटीजन्स. नीदर वेल्दी नॉर द इन्फ्लुएंशियल सिटीजन्स are above the law, not even the Prime Minister or the President of India. So, इससे क्या होगा? It will create a trust amongst the people living together in a particular country. With the adoption of the Constitution, our representatives in the Parliament passed laws for the country. keeping in mind the principle of equality before law. Now let's discuss how these laws are made. The Parliament has an important role in making new laws and changing the existing one. A proposal to pass a new law or change an existing one is called a bill. बिल किसे कहते हैं? जब हम कोई न्यू लॉ बनाने जा रहे हैं या जो बने हुए लॉ है उनमें चेंजेस लाना चाहते हैं. सो दैट प्रोसीजर और दैट proposal is called a bill. A bill introduced by a minister is called a government bill, while a bill introduced by any private member of the parliament is called a private member bill. Understood? गवर्नमेंट बिल किसे कहेंगे? जब वो इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया है किसी मिनिस्टर के थ्रू. एंड प्राइवेट मेंबर बिल जब किसी प्राइवेट मेंबर ऑफ द पार्लियामेंट इंट्रोड्यूस करे. फाइन. डिपेंडिंग ऑन द सब्जेक्ट मैटर ऑफ अ बिल कि वो किस बेस पे है या क्या मेन मोटिव है उस बिल का, उस पे हम बिल को दो टाइप में क्लासीफाई कर सकते हैं. दैट इज मनी बिल एंड ऑर्डिनरी बिल. बिल्स दैट डील्स विद गवर्नमेंट income or expenditure are called money bill. Other bills that deals with the day-to-day life of people are called ordinary bill. I hope the topic has been clear to you. We will continue in the next lecture with the same chapter. Thank you.